Yo, what is up, guys, and welcome to this video. I'm just gonna show you what Respawn. Remember Respawn Entertainment, the guys who actually created Apex Legends? Yes, they also create Medal of Honor above and beyond. And they basically, for the promotional landing page or whatever for the game, it's going to be a VR game, of course, with the Oculus Rift thingy and all that. So it's interactive, of course, and they actually use Three.js. So let's just look at it and see what they have created. It's in Danish. I don't know why. I am from England, so why is all this? Why is it in Danish? Okay, so we basically have a cutscene. Let's skip that. But okay, guys, remember I'm from England, so I don't know why it's in Danish. Let's click on this. Okay, so we can see every time we click on something, we can get the backstory. This is way too loud. Okay, we can scroll further with the mouse. Oh my days, look at this. Yes, holy shit, this looks sick. What are they doing? Don't fight, man. I actually love the graphics, man. This is so freaking cool. Yeah, okay, let's just watch the backstory. That's sick. And now they're fighting here. Okay. Catch me outside, I guess. What kind of an airplane? No, I do not care, man. What the, bro? Just look at, oh, look at the bullet. Can we scroll back? That is freaking sick. And even the sound and everything, it is amazing. Really sets the whole theme. That's the mood, I guess. That is what it is called. Improvise, I guess it is saying. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys this 3D interactive world for the promotion of Medal of Honor above and beyond. Shout out to Respawn Entertainment and the development team behind this webpage. It is pretty freaking cool. Whoever came up with this definitely needs a raise. Or deserves a raise. Explosion, let's check this out. Man, I want to see the explosion. Come on, man. What is wrong with you? Show me something. Man, they're just being weird. Okay, forget it. What the hell? Missiles and a tank. I don't know what it says. I'm from England, so yeah. This is pretty cool. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. I guess